So we're back here at Napier Speedway for the Napier Gold Cup, day after the New Zealand Grand Prix, so we'll see what we can do. We finished 5th in the NZGP against some 30 fast cars, so we'll see what we can do. We're just using tonight as an experiment night with the car, because we're going to have 2 back-to-back tracks, so it's going to be really key to see what we can do with the car. And yeah, so starting P3 in my first heat out of 24 cars all in heats, so it's going to be crazy, but hopefully at the front we'll be able to stay out of it, so we'll see what we can do. So my first heat starting 3rd, I think I slipped back to 6th and then made my way up to 5th. We were just trying stuff with the car and just trying to learn new things basically. Tonight's just sort of a play night for us, just trying to learn new things with the car. So I start 20th in the next heat, so we'll see if we can advance. And again, just trying new things with the car and see where we start in the all-in feature. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So my second heat race, I started 20th and came home 15th. I didn't exactly pass any cars, it was just a bit of a pile up on the start. We were just trying another thing and it didn't quite work out, but that's why you try it. You got to learn, especially when you're starting from the back. I imagine I'll have a mid-pack grid for the feature, probably around 14 or 13. So we just try to keep our nose clean and see what we can do from there. Again, it's just all about learning tonight, and we'll see what we can do. So we just came in from our feature, and where did we finish, Corbin?
P5.
Yeah, so we managed to finish P5. There was a bit of a wreck in the first few laps, and there was about 4 restarts before we got going. But once we got going, we were able to get into a bit of a rhythm. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to challenge for 4th. I just made a few mistakes, and the pole was so grippy, but you had to be so precise. So it gives me a bit of stuff to work on for my driving. And we're back out at Western Springs on the 1st of February, so a bit of a break after everything we've done. So yeah, catch you guys later.